These are the Akko Vintage Whites. You may have heard the hype around these switches for their amazing performance despite being sold at a lower price of 25 cents per switch. Although the materials aren't officially stated, I assume the top is polycarbonate, the housing is nylon, and the stems are palm. They use a 35-gram extension spring. These switches use Kale style latches and are 3-pin plate mounted. These switches do not require filming as they are very tight and have very little stem wobble compared to KSA Gateron yellows. Like most Akko CS switches I've reviewed, they sound great and feel amazing for budget switches. Stock, they sound amazing and have minimal scratchiness. Looping enhances the sound and removes the scratching. However, in my opinion, I felt that they're a little bit too tight, but if that's what you're going for, these are definitely excellent budget switches and I would highly recommend them.